Welcome back, students. As we have already started the lesson, Home Sweet Home. It is an interesting story of a mole and a rat. When Mole started missing his home when he was returning with Rat after a long day's outing. He started missing suddenly and he smelt that the house was nearby him. Ratty, Mole called out suddenly, "It's my home. I can smell it. It's somewhere here." Mole was almost in tears. "Let's find your home. No need to get upset about it," said Rat. Mole sniffed the air once more as he picked up the scent again. He ran forward and Rat followed him down a narrow passageway until they reached the front door with Mole End painted on a board beside it. Mole opened the door and went in, lit a lamp and looked around. Here, Mole said to Rat that his house was just near to him. He could smell it, and he had tears in his eyes. Rat said to him not to be worried or get upset about the home. He told him that both of them would find the house. And then Mole started smelling the air once again, and it seems that he was smelling the house very nicely and ran forward. It means it was a sign. It seems that he got the sign that where was the house. He was simply running towards his house. And Rat followed him down a narrow passageway. Here, narrow passageway means a small path or a small road. So they ran away, and Mole was continuously running, and he reached at the front door of the home where Mole End was painted on a board beside it. He opened the door and simply ran inside it and lit a lamp because it was too dark. "Oh, Ratty," he cried, "why did I ever bring you to this poor, cold and dusty place, when you could have been in your riverbank house having dinner by the fire?" Here, Mole was feeling shame by showing his dirty, cold house to him. He told Rat that his house was very beautiful and it was just the riverbank side and he could have dinner by the fire. So he was very shameful by showing his house. But Rat was very happy. But Rat was not listening. He was running here and there, opening doors to rooms and cupboards and lighting more lamps. "What a cozy little house you have, Molly," he cried out cheerily. "So well planned, just the right size. Oh, look at the bunk beds. I love them. You dust the place and set the table. I light the fire and bake some scones for supper. Hope you have some jam, old chap." "Yes, I do. The best plum jam in the world." Here, when Mole was unhappy and sad by showing his dusty house, but Rat was not listening him. Actually, he was very happy to see the little small house. So he said, "Oh, Molly, you have a very beautiful house there." And he was so cheerful. And he was running to one room to another room. As sometimes, children, you are very happy by seeing your dolls or new toys. Rat was very happy and he said to him that he liked the bunk beds. Bunk beds means beds that are placed one on top of the other. So Ratty said to his friend Molly that he liked it very much. He said to him, "You just clean the place and set the table." And he said that he was going to bake some scones for supper. Supper means evening meal or dinner. And scones mean small round cakes which contained dried fruit, and it is usually eaten with butter and jam. Rat said him to bring some jam. An old chap. And Mole said yes, he had the best plum jam in the world. He was also excited to see the excitement of his friend. Soon Rat and Mole were sitting by the fire with a batch of hot scones dripping with jam. That was when they heard the shuffling of small feet and the murmur of tiny voices. "Who can it be?" asked Rat. "Oh, that must be the field mice. They come carol singing. It's Christmas season, remember?" said Mole. "Let's invite them in. I'm sure they would like a mug of hot cocoa," cried Rat, jumping up and running to the door. Oh, how the mice loved the scones and cocoa. As they sang a few more carols, Mole and Rat joined them, happy to spread some Christmas cheer by sharing their dinner. When Mole and Rat were sitting by the fire and taking their supper, that time they heard the shuffling of small feet. Shuffling means the sound of feet being dragged against the ground, or sometimes we tap our feet to create the sound. That time they heard the murmur of tiny voices. Rat asked to Mole that whose sound was it? And Mole said that it would be the sound of mice, field mice, those who were singing carol, just because it was Christmas season. Then Rat said that let's invite them also, and he ran towards the door and opened the door. He invited mice to join them, and they were very happy to have hot cocoa. Cocoa is a chocolate drink. All of them enjoyed there. They sang few more carols. Rat and Mole also enjoyed and sang, and in this way they spread Christmas cheer. Means it was the feeling of happiness in the air during Christmas time. "Molly, old chap, I'm sleepy. Is the lower bunk yours? Then I'll take the top one," said Rat soon after the carol singers had left. He climbed up, pulled the blanket over him, and soon was fast asleep. A little later, Mole stretched himself and sighed happily. How wonderful to be back in his own bed! "Oh, nothing like home, sweet home," he said to himself as he closed his eyes. What do you think, children? That when the mole was in his bed, how did he feel about his home? And why did he say, "Home, sweet home"? What do you think? Actually, earlier Mole was unhappy by showing his little home to Rat. But when he saw that Rat was very happy to see his house, he felt relaxed. Rat said to him that if he was going to sleep on lower bunk, so he said that the upper bunk would be his. And without saying anything, he climbed up and pulled the blanket over him and fast asleep. It means he slept. And just after some time, when Mole went into the lower bunk in his own bed, he was very relaxed and shied happily. Shied means when we express our happiness by breathing out slowly. And now he was very happy and comfortable in his own bed. And he said that nothing in this world like one's own home. It means our own home. As sometimes you also feel when you come after such a long vacation inside your home, you feel very happy and relaxed as Mole felt here.